Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn with conditional trigonometric identities. Conditional trigonometric identities. Okay, conditional trigonometric identities. So, what are conditional trigonometric identities? So, identities which satisfy the given additional conditions. Okay, identities which satisfy the additional conditions are called as conditional trigonometric identities. Okay, in this exercise, we will be completely seeing with this. That is, if it is given a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree r pi, 180 r pi, then a plus b can be written as pi minus c. Okay, or c can be written as pi minus a plus b. All this we will be using. Likewise, if we have a plus b plus c are equal to pi, then when you divide by 2, it becomes pi by 2. So, what it is? A by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is equal to pi by 2. So, from this we can also write it as a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus c by 2, or c by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus a by 2 plus b by 2. Okay, completely in this exercise we will be using all this. So, remember it. So, now we will see the example first. Example 3.29. Example 3.39. So, we have three subdivisions here. So, what is given? If given a plus b plus c is equal to pi. First subdivision, we have to prove that cos a plus cos b plus cos c is equal to 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. Okay, this we have to prove. So, now take the left hand side. So, left hand side, what is it? Cos A plus cos B plus cos C. So, what is cos C plus cos D? We know that it is 2 cos A plus C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So, this becomes 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 and cos C. Cos C we can write as it is. Okay, we will write in the next step. So, what is this now? Now, as I said, this is a by 2 plus b by 2. So, a by 2 plus b by 2 can be written as pi by 2 minus c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus cos c. So, cos c here we can use the identity, that is cos theta can be written as, okay, I will write it here, cos theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, and what we have used there is a plus b plus c by 2 is equal to pi by 2. Okay, so from this we get a plus b by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus c by 2. Okay, this is what we have used. So now plus cos c can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. So now when you see this, what is cos 90 minus theta? Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Therefore, we can write 2 sin c by 2 into cos a by 2 minus b by 2 plus 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. Now this plus 1, bring it to the first. So 1 plus, in the other two terms, 2 sin c by 2 is common. வெளியில் எடுக்கிறோம். 2 sin c by 2 காமனாக இருக்குது. அதனால் வெளியில் எடுத்துகிறோம். இப்போ மீதி இருக்கிறது என்னது? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்மில் cos a by 2 minus b by 2. And second term we get minus sin c by 2. So now this is equal to, again, it is equal to 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos a by 2 minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. c by 2 எப்படி எழுதலாமா? pi by 2 minus அல்லது sin c by 2. ஓகே, நம்ம ஆன்சர் வர்றதுக்கு ஏத்தாப்புல எழுதணும். Okay, so we can also write sin c by 2 as cos pi by 2 minus c by 2. எழுதலாமா? cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. அதனால sin theta வை cos 90 minus theta ன்னு எழுதுறோம். So 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos a by 2 minus b by 2 minus this pi by 2 minus c by 2 is nothing but cos a by 2 plus b by 2. Yes, we have written already. Okay, a by 2 by b plus b by 2 is pi by 2 minus c by 2. Okay, so this one we have used. So now this can be written as, it is equal to 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into, இது என்ன ஃபார்முலா இருக்குது? cos c minus cos d ஃபார்முலா இருக்குதா? அப்போ what is cos c minus cos d? cos c minus cos d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. Okay, so what you will get? 2 sin c plus d by 2. அப்போ ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணுறோம் இல்லையா? a by 2 minus b by 2 plus a by 2 plus b by 2. அப்போ minus b by 2 plus b by 2 cancel ஆயிருமா? Okay, so what you will get? 2a by 2 by 2 வருமா? ஓகே, சைடில் நான் எழுதி காமிச்சிடுறேன். Okay, I'll show you. So what is this? What you will get? ஒரு ஸ்டெப்ல எழுதுவோம், then other steps I won't write. Okay, நீங்க புரிஞ்சுக்கணுமா? எல்லா ஸ்டெப்ஸுக்கும் எழுதிட்டு இருக்க முடியாது. a by 2 plus b by 2 by 2. Okay, sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. Yes, sin d minus c by 2. அப்போ a by 2 plus b by 2 minus a by 2 plus b by 2 ஆயிருமா? Okay, d minus c. So now this is equal to 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into 2 sin minus b by 2 plus b by 2 gets cancelled. A plus a is 2a. அப்போ 2a by 2 எப்படி வருது? 2a by 2 by 2 இருக்குதா? அப்போ இது cancel ஆயிருது. So what is remaining? a by 2. So sin a by 2 we get. Okay, sin a by 2. அதே மாதிரி இங்க what gets cancelled? Minus a by 2 plus a by 2 gets cancelled. So you get sin, அதை எப்படி பார்த்தோமோ அதே மாதிரி பார்த்தோம்னா we will get sin c by b by 2. So what is the answer? It is equal to 1 plus 2 2s are 4. Putting in order, sin a by 2, sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. Okay, hence we have proved. Now coming to the second subdivision. Second subdivision, what we have to prove? Sin a by 2, sin b by 2 into sin c by 2 is less than or equal to 1 by 8. This we have to prove it. Okay. So let left hand side is equal to u னு எடுத்துக்கிறோமா. இப்போ left hand side is equal to u. So what is the first two terms எடுத்துக்காங்க. Sin a by 2, sin c by 2, b by 2. So what form it is? Sin a, sin b. So what is sin a, sin b? Sin a, sin b is equal to minus 1 by 2 into, we have seen already, sin a, sin b is equal to minus 1 by 2 into cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. Okay, formulas எல்லாம் பார்த்திருக்கிறோம். So this we are going to use here. So what you will get? So let u is equal to the left hand side. அப்போ first two terms எடுக்கிறோம். First two terms க்கு மட்டும் எழுதுறோம். So what we get? Minus 1 by 2 into cos a plus b. So cos a plus b by 2 வந்துருமா? Taking LCM. Minus cos a minus b by 2 into sin c by 2. Okay, this is what we get. So now this is equal to again minus 1 by 2 into cos a plus b by 2 minus cos a minus b by 2. Now வெளியில இருக்கிற sin c by 2 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Cos a plus b by 2 எழுதலாமா? Previous sumல யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம்லாமா? Same way. Okay, sin c by 2 வந்து cos 90 minus c by 2. Cos 90 minus c by 2 is cos a plus b by 2. Previous first subdivision la போட்டிருக்கிறோம். அதே மாதிரி போட்டோம்னா we get this. Okay. So now this is equal to, this is can be taken as, இந்த இதுதான் u னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம் இல்லையா? அப்போ cross multiply பண்ணுங்க. அப்போ 2u is equal to, அல்லது minus 2u எடுத்துக்குவோம். Minus, take the minus sign also this side. Okay. அப்போ minus 2u is equal to, minus 2u is equal to, we can take this as in the cos a plus b உள்ள எடுத்துட்டு வாங்க. அப்போ cos square a plus b by 2 minus cos a minus b by 2 into cos a plus b by 2 னு எழுதிடலாமா? Now putting in order, இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Cos square a plus b by 2 minus cos a minus b by 2 into cos a plus b by 2. Now minus 2u இந்த பக்கம் எடுத்துட்டு வாங்க. அப்போ plus 2u is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Okay, it is a quadratic equation in cos a plus b. So let cos a plus b by 2 is equal to t னு எடுத்துக்காங்க. அப்போ what this becomes? T square minus cos a minus b by 2 into t plus 2u is equal to 0. Okay, so this is a quadratic equation. அப்போ இதில் a வந்து என்னது? Therefore comparing with ax square plus by square plus c is equal to 0. What is a? A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus cos a minus b by 2 and c is equal to 2u. Okay. So now we will find b square minus 4ac. So what is b square minus 4ac? It is b is cos a minus b by 2. So we get cos square a minus b by 2. Okay. Minus 4ac. So minus 8u. And we know that it has a real solution. The real solution b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. அப்போ greater than or equal to 0 னா இதை இப்படியும் எழுதிடலாமா? a minus b by 2 is greater than or equal to 8u ன்னு எழுதலாமா? Now we know that maximum value for cos, அதாவது cos உடைய range வந்து என்னது? minus 1 to plus 1. அப்போ maximum value for cos is what? 1. Okay. So maximum value for cos is 1. So because cos square a minus b by 2 is greater than or equal to 8u, நமக்கு என்ன வந்துருது? 8u is that is 1 is greater than or equal to 8u. 1 is greater than or equal to 8u. Now 1 by 8 is greater than or equal to u. So you get u is less than or equal to 1 by 8. What is u but? U we have taken as என்னது? Sin a by 2, sin b by 2 and sin c by 2. Therefore it is less than or equal to 1 by 8. Hence proved. Okay. Now coming to the third subdivision. Third one. We have to prove that. To prove is 1 less than cos A plus cos B plus cos C is less than or equal to 3 by 2. This we have to prove. Now from the first one and the second one. From 1 and 2. Okay, from 1 and 2 we get cos A plus cos B plus cos C is greater than 1. Okay, how? See the first subdivision, cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 1 plus something. So that is greater than 1. Okay, and therefore what do we get? Cos A plus cos, from 2 what do you get? 2 is what? From 2, okay, using 2 here, what do you get here? 1 plus, that is use this in 1. 1 என்னமா வரும்? 1 plus 4 into 1 by 8 வந்துருமா? Okay. So from 1 and 2, from 1 we get this. இது வந்து actually from 1 மட்டும்தான். Okay, from 1 we get this. From 1 cos A plus cos B plus cos C is greater than 2. And so substitute this in 1. இதை 1லேயே substitute பண்ணுங்க. அப்போ from 1 and 2. இப்போதான் from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 substitute 2 in 1. Okay, substituting 2 in 1. 2 1ல கொண்டு போய் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா என்ன வந்துடும்? cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 1 plus 4 into 1 by 8. ஓகே, அப்போ அது வந்து என்ன கொடுத்துருக்கு? less than or equal to செகண்ட் சப்டிவிஷன். அப்போ இது ஈக்குவல் டு வராது, என்ன வரும்? less than or equal to. So what is this? This is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 2. அப்போ 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So using this and this, இது வந்து என்னது? This is equal to 3 by 2. So using this and this, what you get? So from 1 and 2, என்ன சொல்லுது உனக்கு? 1 is less than cos A plus cos B plus cos C, which is less than or equal to 3 by 2. Okay, hence we have proved. Clear all of you? Okay. So now exercise 3.7. All the problems we will be doing like the first subdivision. Okay, all problems are similar to that of the first question, first subdivision, first question, first in this example, first subdivision. So we will do now first question. What is given? A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. To prove. So to prove is, we'll do the second subdivision. Okay, first subdivision you can take it for homework. So first subdivision, take to sin 2a plus sin 2b as sin c plus sin d, and instead of sin 2c you use 2 sin c cos c. So when you use 2 sin c cos c, you will be able to get the answer. So first subdivision you can take it for homework. We will do the second one. Cos A plus cos B minus cos C is equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. So this is what we have going to prove. First question, second subdivision in example. Okay, take the left hand side. So left hand side, cos A plus cos B. So what is it? 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Cos C minus cos D we are using. Minus cos C. Okay, now what is this? 2 cos A plus B by 2 is pi by 2 minus C by 2 cos A minus B by 2, and cos C we will use the formula. So same as we use that, it is 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. So it is equal to now 2 sin C by 2, 90 is cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So sin C by 2 cos A minus B by 2 minus 1 plus 2 sin square C by 2. So we get now 2 minus 1 we are having. So minus 1 plus, in these two terms you take 2 sin C by 2 out. So remainder is cos A minus B by 2 plus sin C by 2. Okay, same as what we did in the example problem. So it is equal to minus 1 plus 2 sin C by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus sin C by 2. How will you write? Pi by 2 minus of A plus B by 2. So it is equal to minus 1 plus 2 sin C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 sin 90 minus theta cos theta, therefore cos A plus B by 2. So now this is equal to minus 1 plus 2 sin C by 2 into cos C plus cos D. So what is cos C plus cos D? 2 cos, okay, 2 cos. So 2 cos A plus B by 2. So what is it? A by 2 minus B by 2 plus A by 2 plus B by 2 by 2. So what is it? And cos A minus B by 2. What is cos A minus B by 2? Okay, cos A minus B by 2 is, yeah, cos C plus cos D. So cos C minus D by 2. So you get cos A by 2 minus B by 2 minus A by 2 minus B by 2 by 2. Okay. So it is equal to now minus 1 plus 2. We have already seen very briefly in the previous question. So follow that. Okay, very briefly. So in the problems after this, I won't be explaining this much. You have to know it. So இது என்னதுமா 2a by 2 2 cancel ஆயிரும். So finally என்ன வந்துரும் 2a by 2. அதே மாதிரி இங்க என்ன cancel ஆகும்? a by 2 cancel ஆயிரும். cos minus b by 2 cos of minus theta is cos theta. அதனால b by 2 வந்துருமா? So it is equal to finally minus 1 plus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 into sin C by 2, which is equal to the right hand side. Hence it is proved. Okay. So students, hope all of you are maintaining notebook. So classwork should be written with blue pen and homework with black pen. So when you follow it and do in the notebook only, it will be easy for you to learn for exams. Okay. So keep it in mind and work hard.